Hi, welcome to the final section of developmental psychology, and we're going to focus on how research into attachment and daycare has influenced childcare practices. Again, no need to learn any studies for this section. It's really straightforward. It just basically shows us that based on all previous researches that have happened, so it could be through Robinson and Robinson, it could be through Field, Clark Stewart, and the NICHD, any of those. So basically, what they've done, psychologists over the years, is they've developed what they constitute as high quality daycare. So I just say focus on three features of high quality daycare. The ones I will focus on if I was doing an examination is having well trained, qualified staff. Okay, that's one thing. So a lot of staff, for example, in nurseries, they have MVQ2s and MVQ3s, etc. Another one I'll focus on is low staff turnover. That is in order to so they don't disrupt attachment. So imagine a child comes to nursery, they see Julie, and then the next day they come, Julie's gone, and it's now Bob. Yeah. So you need to look for nurseries, for example, where the staff have probably been there for years and years and years. And another one, finally, I'll probably focus on is lower adult to child ratios. So, in terms of having a key worker and having a very small group, so one key worker to, for example, three children, that's ideal. Obviously with various ages. So obviously we all have different needs at different ages. So if they're various ages, then they're able to deal with the particular needs. If you go to nursery, for example, and it's one key worker to like 10 children, even though that's against Ofsted regulation, run very far. Okay, so the ideal one is 1 to 3 as um, the ratio for very high quality. So I'll probably focus on these three. So low adult to child ratios, low staff turnover, well trained staff teachers or staff. You really wouldn't need to know any more than this. Yeah. And that is the end of lecture 7. So make sure you learn those at least 3 of the features that make up high quality daycare. Our next lecture, we're going to be looking at key examination questions which have looked into high quality daycare.